Hi, this is Dennis Isip from Haven Real Estate. Today I'm going to start a new video series which I call Discover Spokane. And what I'd like to do is to interview a couple of residents on a regular basis and find out what were the reasons for wanting to stay in Spokane, living here, and number two, what do they think helped Spokane improve further? I'm going to start off the series with my personal opinion. One of the reasons that Spokane is a good place to live is you're actually close to nature. So in this particular property, for a little over $400,000, this property here, almost out in the country, but it's not in the country. The house is behind me, and take a look at the 360-degree view from where we are. And so this particular property is less than 5 acres, but it's only about 30-45 minutes away from downtown Spokane. So you could do a daily commute if you want to. So that's one thing that I like about Spokane is there's lots of room to grow. You're close to nature if you want to. So this is an option that's available. There's only one freeway. As far as traffic is concerned, there's not a lot compared to the major cities, especially if you're going to compare it to the West Coast, all the big cities in the West Coast. But one thing that could be improved in Spokane actually is probably some traffic management planning. Actually, it's more in Spokane itself, the city of Spokane. It would actually help if they synchronize the traffic lights. But if you're not going to go through there, then it's probably not going to be a problem. That's it for today. I'm going to see you in the next edition of Discover Spokane. See you soon. Bye-bye.